getting the default box from Blender into Beam in a little longer than a minute. Go right here, material properties, and right here where you see material, just call it white box. Add an empty, a plain axis, add 2 of these. Double click one, name it base 00. Double click the other one, call it start 01. Delete the light, delete the camera. Hold shift, left click, drag, start 01 into base 00. Undo this tab and do the same thing with the cube. Hold shift, left click, drag, and drop into start 01. Now pick the object, go to object, duplicate, hit escape, or you can hit the right mouse button. Double click on the second one here and call it COLMESH-1. Alright, now what we're going to do is hit this letter X here, drag a box over both of the, just drag a box, hit this move it up to the green line, then hit File, Export, Collider, and whatever level you're going to put it in, just stick it in let's see, in the level here, in the art folder. I'm just going to call it white box. Hit geometry, apply modifiers, render, export collider. Load the game, load the level. Hit F11. If it's not open already, the material editor, go to Window, material editor, click New Material, type in white box, hit Create, hit Save, go to the Asset Browser, and go up to All Models, and you should see a white box. And then you can left click and drag it. Now hit Control F7 or go up to Edit and Rebuild Collision. Now you can drive into the box, and the box is here. Yeah, I looked at my old video and realized that it could cause problems. Not to get into why, but this is the updated video to how to get this box in here. And if I wasn't talking, I may could do it in under a minute. But when I talk, I'm slow.